Yeah, it's really nice, no?
Oh, but the other one is dirty, no? And I think.
Pau ko, pau.
Kawil!
Chill, ikaw dito ah.
Sige. Ito yung pool.
Drink water ah. Here's your tumbler.
That's a nice pool, oh. Chemas by the sea. Yeah, they're cleaning it pa. Oh, may ano yan yung seawater na ano daw?
Pool closed.
Babe, yung gamit.
Daddy, the pool is closed.
Not yeah, gina-clean pa nila. Bro, you wanna try the lemonade? Cucumber?
Gani. Sa ako.
May room na tayo. May room daw. Available na yung room kung gusto niyo na mag-rest. Mamaya na lang. Oo.
Ay, una tayo. Breakingan natin doon.
Order natin yung food. Order natin yung food, Jer.
Ha?
Order natin yung food.
Order na tipon. Una-una lang
Woo!
lagi order. Tagal kasi ninyo eh.
Ganda. Kalma ang sea. Calm sea. Nice, Ishan.
Ano dad? Order na tayo food? Ano muna? Anong? Yan.
Yawak dyan.
Cucumber.
Picture na the best.